Hey Claribel, I just got onto the website, and I think this is just going to be the easiest way for me to kind of give you a little bit of a quick walkthrough of what you're going to be doing here. This is the back end of WordPress, and there's going to be some areas in here you're going to have to learn a lot, but we'll start here, right? All pages. These are going to be the pages that you're going to start. I am under your name. I created my own username. I'm not on it yet, but in the future, I'll be able to use my name so that you can change your password and you have kind of yours and I have mine and I just think it's better that way anyways. So I created a draft page. So I'm going to start actually I'm going to trash this and I'm going to start from the ground up, right? So I'm going to add a new page. Um, I'm going to call it home page, and I will save. Actually, I'm going to call it test page. I'll let you do whatever you want. Um, I'm going to save the draft for the test page, and then I'm going to edit in Brizzy, right? So this is going to be your home of where you're going to be developing, and it's really easy. So start building your page, right? So a lot of options here. There's blocks, there's layouts. Um, Layouts are basically a full page. What do you want the whole page to look like? And then there are blocks, which takes a specific piece of a page. So you can kind of mix and match and make your own page, right? So for all intents, for this purpose example, what I want to do is I want to create, I just want to choose from a layout, right? So there's a bunch of different layouts here. This one looks like it could be, right down your alley, or maybe this one's right down your alley, right? But um, all these layouts here, and then I can choose out of those layouts, right? This is a home page, and these are some interior pages that they have here. So I'll just import this layout, right? Go here. Oh, it's loading up. Cool. So we can see that was pretty easy, right? So we are working with um, a page. It's up and running. I picked it. It's there. So this is kind of just the way it works. And if I want to add a new block, I can add to the rest of the page, and I can add something specific. Maybe at the bottom I wanted to add a little form. I could click this, and it'll add that form to the bottom. It's pretty cool, pretty easy. And then another simple part to look at is the I know this is going to be your area where you're going to be adding stuff. So it's not set up yet, I know that, but menu, right? So we can add the little hamburger menu. Um, Actually, what I would want to do is not get out of here. So I'll add it here, and the menu's not been created yet. I'm gonna kind of take away this area here, create a menu in your dashboard. But anyway, so you're going to be editing, going in through editing a lot of this stuff. A lot of the editing is going to happen, in the individual boxes is going to be here. You're going to use this to edit, and then if you're in a whole section like I am, this whole section, I'm going to go here, right? And there's going to be some options here. Don't want it to be a slider, so I'll take away the slider option. Let's see. Do I want to have a background on it? Yes, I want to have a background on it. What background image do I want? And that's where we will look. I don't have any backgrounds in here. That's already what was on it, so I don't know what that image is. Um, but anyways, you can kind of filter through that there. You could, if you wanted to have a little video, you could have that video in the background there, and you can see what that looks like. If I do video, there's kind of just a default video in the back end there. A lot of little things that can be done. So we can have that be a map with a pin marker on it. So a lot of little things, a lot of options. Heart, no, we don't want to heart that. I hearted it already. Sorry, doesn't matter, not a big deal. And then we can clone a section. If we like this section a lot, we can clone it so that it's right under it. It pops up right under it. But you can edit all this stuff. It's all really easy, customizable. That obviously doesn't stick out, so I want to change the color. Perfect. Let me change it to purple. It sticks out just a little bit more, right? So little things you can do, and then when you're done, you can hit publish, um, and then you can be live with the page. So what I'm going to add here in a minute, I'm done here, right? So I would go to dashboard, get out. I want to go home, and this takes me kind of to the back end of the page, and I'll hit this W on the top left, and now I'm back. I'm back where I need to be, right? So this sample page is up. It's published. and I'm going to add a little kind of banner in the front saying that the website's under construction. So you can be publishing all this stuff, but nobody's going to have access to it until you're ready. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, I know this is it's a lot. You're gonna have to learn a lot, but it's gonna be great. So yeah, let me know.